Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to cancel all send friend requests on Facebook. Friends, if you have sent some friends requests from your Facebook account which now due to some reason you want to cancel, then you simply need to open your Facebook app. Now here in your Facebook app you need to press on these three lines. Now here scroll it little down and here you will find option find friends. Press on it. Now here you will find list of all the friend requests which you have received. Now to see friend requests which you have sent, you simply need to press on see all. Now here you will find option of three dots. Press on it. Now view send request option will pop up. Press on it. Now it will show all the friend requests which you have sent. Now to cancel any friend request, you simply need to press on cancel. Like this you can cancel other friend request also. So friends, like this you can very easily cancel all send friend requests on Facebook. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.